Dear student, today I discuss the chapter Uniform Circular Motion. In this chapter, I discuss the numerical problem from last class. Now today you can see next problem. Problem is here given a body of mass 0.10 kg. Mass of body is given beta. M is equal to 0.10 kg is being revolved in a circular path of diameter 1 meter. Diameter is 1 meter, means 2r is equal to 1 meter on a frictionless horizontal plane by means of a string. It performs 10 revolutions in 31.4 seconds. Calculate the centripetal force acting on the body. So now find the F. So you know omega is equal to 2 pi n upon t. So here 2 pi means 3.14 n. 10 revolution per second means 31.4 second. So now decimal this cancel and here 2 place, this cancel, this cancel, that is 2 radian per second. This is the angular velocity. Okay, you know centripetal force in angular form mr omega square. So F is equal to m. M is given here 0.10 and radius is 1 upon 2. Omega is 2 square. So this become 0.10 into 0.5 into 4. That is 1050. Decimal 3 place 1 2 3 into 4. That is 5 4 20. 3 place 1 2 3 means 0.2 Newton. So here centripetal force along the body will be F is equal to 0.2 Newton. This is your result. I hope no problem beta. Okay, clear. Now next question is beta, the length of second needle of a watch is 3 centimeter. So length is here, that means radius you can say is 3 centimeter and length of second needle means complete the one rotation, then that means time period is 60 seconds. So find the angular velocity. Angular velocity, that is omega, and linear velocity, that is v. So you know omega is equal to 2 pi upon capital T. So second needle time period is 60 seconds. So omega become pi upon 30 radian per second. This is your first answer. Now second, you know V is equal to R omega. R is given here 3 centimeter and omega is pi upon 30, that is 3 1 10. So pi upon 10 centimeter per second. This is linear velocity. Okay, the second answer. So I hope there is no any problem. By using that method you can solve this question. In this question one important thing arises here, length of second needle. Here second needle, that means you know when any second needle complete a one rotation, that means travel a one revolution, that means 60 seconds. So time period becomes 60 seconds. So here here important thing is this one. So in place of t is 60 seconds. So this reason, so this is very important thing here. So read carefully, then solve the question. But this is your question very easy if you read carefully. Okay, thanks.